Bread is a staple food consumed by people worldwide, offering a satisfying and versatile option for meals. However, not all bread is created equal when it comes to nutrition. With an array of choices available on store shelves, it's important to be mindful of the healthiest types of bread to incorporate into your diet. These bread varieties go beyond mere taste and texture, offering a range of benefits such as increased nutrient content, whole grain goodness, and even potential health-boosting properties. In this video we will explore some of the healthiest types of bread to eat. Whole wheat bread. Meticulously crafted using solely whole wheat flour, this particular bread upholds the nourishing essence of every grain component, culminating in an unmistakable superiority in terms of both fiber content and nutrient density when compared to its refined white bread counterpart. Whole grain bread. Much akin to whole wheat bread, whole grain bread is expertly fashioned from an array of whole grains such as barley, oats, quinoa, and numerous others, thus presenting an expansive assortment of nutrients that surpasses the spectrum offered by its refined white bread alternative. Sprouted grain bread. Derived from grains that have commenced the sprouting process, sprouted grain bread harnesses the transformative power that amplifies nutrient availability. This unique characteristic not only contributes to enhanced digestibility but also potentially yields a lower glycemic index, thus positioning it as a favorable choice for optimal nutritional benefits. Rye bread. Renowned for its distinctive density and robust flavor, rye bread stands apart. Notably, it boasts a lower glycemic index in comparison to white bread, making it an attractive option for those mindful of blood sugar levels. Additionally, rye bread serves as a commendable source of dietary fiber, further augmenting its appeal for individuals seeking a well-rounded nutritional profile. Sourdough bread. Crafted through a meticulous fermentation process employing naturally present yeast and lactic acid bacteria, sourdough bread exudes uniqueness. This exceptional method not only enhances its digestibility but also holds the potential to facilitate superior nutrient absorption, making it an enticing choice for those seeking a harmonious blend of delectable flavor and nutritional benefits. Oat bread. Predominantly crafted using nourishing oats as its core ingredient, this bread emerges as an exceptional source of dietary fiber, instrumental in aiding the reduction of cholesterol levels. Notably, its character is further enriched by a subtle yet delightful interplay of sweet and nutty flavors, elevating its appeal to both the discerning palate and health-conscious individuals. Multigrain bread. When perusing the options, be on the lookout for bread clearly labeled as 100% whole grain or whole grain, incorporating an assortment of grains like wheat, barley, oats, and millet. Such discerning selection presents an amalgamation of nutrients and flavors, ensuring a gratifying experience for both the nourishment-seeking and taste-conscious individuals alike. Gluten-free bread. Catering to the needs of individuals with gluten intolerance or sensitivity, a plethora of gluten-free bread options can be found, thoughtfully crafted from alternative flours such as rice, quinoa, almond, or coconut flour. These diverse alternatives ensure a wide range of choices, enabling those with dietary restrictions to savor delectable bread while accommodating their specific needs. Ezekiel bread. Carefully crafted from a combination of sprouted whole grains and legumes, including wheat, barley, lentils, and soybeans, this bread presents a commendable equilibrium of essential nutrients. Notably, it is highly regarded for its enhanced digestibility, making it a favorable choice for those seeking a wholesome yet easily digestible option to support their nutritional goals. Flaxseed bread. Abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans with potent antioxidant properties, flaxseed takes the spotlight. When seeking bread, prioritize those incorporating ground flax seeds, optimizing the absorption of its beneficial nutrients. This discerning choice ensures you reap the full potential of flaxseed's health-promoting components, making it a valuable addition to your dietary regime. When choosing bread, it's also essential to read the ingredient list. Aim for bread with minimal additives, no high fructose corn syrup, and without hydrogenated oils or trans fats.